So, computer science majors, understand this coming out of college, that you can make good money, really good money, not actually working for a big tech company or what they call one of the main companies. The main companies are Meta, Amazon, what's the other one? Netflix, Google. There's the other one that starts with the letter A. Apple, there you go. So those are your main companies. That's what most computer science graduates do. They want to work for these big companies. You can work for a smaller company, but there's other avenues that you can take. You can be a creator, start a YouTube channel or a blog. Yes, it takes a while to get that, to get your YouTube channel or your blog off the ground and to start building an audience, but it's still an option, and it's even something you can do on the side. And that shouldn't be an issue with your employer in most cases, unless you're like bad mouthing the company, which is not good. So you have that avenue, and obviously launching your own startup. Once again, you have the seed capital. Do you have a good idea? Do you have a good team behind you? So there's a lot that goes into building a successful startup. Or you can do freelancing and you can work on projects, and that's another option. Another way to make really, really good money as a just being a freelance developer. There's a guy on YouTube. He's a coder, been in the game for a long time, for a couple decades. His name's Uncle Steph, and he's, if I'm correct, I think he's been a freelance coder most of his career or most of his life, and he makes good money doing it. Yeah, I think he makes millions of dollars a year, or he makes multiple six figures a year. Uncle Steph, check out his YouTube channel, you got time. But there's so many different avenues to take, and even now in the age of AI, I still think it's worth it to get a computer science degree. If you get into anything technical, there's a good chance you're going to get a good job. We need technical people, because the average person is not technical. That's the thing people need to understand. If you're technical, it's easier to get a job. And that could be, you don't have to be a coder. You can get into IT. You can get into, there's so many different avenues you can take it. You could be an electrical engineer. You could be a mechanical engineer. There's so many, it's not just, technical people are not just coders. You know what I'm saying? So, like I was saying before, if you're a computer science major or you're thinking about getting a computer science degree, have at it. Go get it. I think it's still worth it. We still need people that are good programmers, that know how to build bug-free applications. And vibe coding, you got to mix in that too as well. There's nothing wrong with, well, I don't even like the term vibe coding, to tell you the truth. Use AI to speed up the development process for you. Use AI, it's your friend, it's something to embrace. Use it to speed up the development process, and you'll be okay. But I'm just saying, there's so many different avenues you can take. And if you're a creator, you can do that on the side where you're working a job. Maybe you're working for a Google. You can be a creator on the side. That shouldn't be an issue. As long as you're not saying bad things about the company, it shouldn't be a problem at all. So this is Tyrone Ratcliffe. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know your thoughts about this video, and I will talk to you later.